I saw them at the drugstore, I was like, oh, don't buy them, don't buy them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I will show you how to do this dark, intense, smoky eye look. For today's look I have used In Love with Rose eyeshadow palette by Essence. This is one of my most favorite palettes by Essence. I have also reviewed the latest palettes by Essence and these are from the Trend Edition Choose Your Power. I will have a card here if you want to see the reviews for these two. And the packaging is so improved and I love it. They look so beautiful. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for all my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. For today's look, I want to do something very dark, intense, so I'm going to use a base on my eyelid and I will use this gel eyeliner by Maybelline. This is in the color brown. This one has a purple sheen and it will look amazing with these eyeshadows. If you don't want to contaminate your gel eyeliner, you can take a little bit of product with a spatula and apply it on the back of your hand, and this is what I will also do. I will take some of the product. Don't forget to close the cap very well on your gel eyeliner so the formula will not dry very fast. I think that's enough for both eyes, but we will see. After that, with a synthetic brush, this is number 8 by BH Cosmetics, I will take some of the product and I will apply it on my eyelid. And I will try to apply it very close to my lashes. I don't want any gaps of naked skin there because we want the area around the eyelashes to be very intense, and I will try to blend it inside my lashes too. And just apply the product and also blend it. With the tip of the brush, also try to blend the product into your crease. And also blend a little bit into the brow bone. Now we're going to switch brushes, so we want this area here to be very smooth and the tip of this brush is very thin. I take brush 225 by Zerva and I just apply a small amount of product on the tip of the bristles and I will blend it into my crease. And this is how we're going to make everything look very diffused. Blend the product into your crease closer to your eyelid. And with whatever is left on your brush, just blend very lightly the edges and go just a little bit towards your brow bone. And this way you will have a very smooth base for all of your darker eyeshadows. Also blend the inner corner. That will make our inner corner highlighter pop because we will have a darker base. With an angled brush, this is E65 by Sigma, I will take again some of the gel eyeliner. I will apply it very close to my lashes. Also try to blend it inside your lashes. That looks super beautiful. If you want a more shimmery base for your eyeshadows, you can also use this eyeliner by Essence. This is the Metal Art Lip and Eyeliner and this is in the color Pink Glam. It gives a nice purple sheen to the eyeshadows. For my brow bone highlighter, I'm going to use these two eyeshadows that we have here, the shimmery pink one and the white matte eyeshadow. These two together make the perfect color for my brow bone highlighter. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I apply it all over my brow bone and I also blend the edges. Next, I'm going to take this matte pink eyeshadow that we have with a brush 221 by Zerva. I will blend it into my crease towards my brow bone. And this will give a more lifelike color to our eyes. I will also blend it into my brow bone highlighter. Clean your brush on a tissue. This is the brush 225 by Zerva. And I will take this darker matte pink eyeshadow and I will apply it into my crease but closer to my eyelid. I am going back and forth into my crease, and also I blend it a little bit towards my brow bone so we can have a natural grade of colors, and also a little bit outwards to elongate the eyes. I clean my eyeshadow brush on a tissue, and now it is the fun part. We're going to apply eyeshadow on the base that we have blended so well. So I'm going to take this burgundy eyeshadow that we have here. It has a shimmery finish and it will look amazing on our base. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will take a little bit of this eyeshadow, tap the excess off. This one is a little bit dusty, and just press the color on your eyelid, because we want it to be very dark and intense with light tapping motions. And twist your brush, and with whatever is left, also blend it into your crease. With the 225, just blend a little bit the edges, and as you can see now, I need a little bit of definition in the outer crease because my eyes are hooded and now they are looking even more hooded. I'm going to take the grey matte eyeshadow and I will apply it only in the outer crease of my eye to make this area a little bit more uplifted, because now it looks sad. And also blend it outwards. It is time to define the lower lash line, and I'm going to apply in my waterline the eye pencil by Zerva Cosmetics. This is in the shade Natasa and it is a dark purple shade. Okay, that was hard. I will also apply some inside my lashes and we will blend it. Don't worry, it will not stay like this. With a smudging brush, blend your lower lash line very lightly. You don't want to remove your lashes. Also blend it into the outer corner. As you can see, I almost don't touch my lower lash line. And blend everything outward so you can give an uplifted effect. With the same smudging brush and with the tip of the brush, I will take the burgundy color and I will apply it on my lower lash line. And again, just press the eyeshadow on your eye because you want it to be very intense. Clean your brush on a tissue and continue blending the edges of the lower lash line. With the same smudging brush, I will take the light pink matte eyeshadow with the tip of the brush again. I will blend the edges of my lower lash line. With an angle brush by Sigma, the number E65 that I have also used before, I will take the darkest shade of the palette. I will apply it very close to my lashes. That's not very visible, but it actually defines the eye shape and the smoky effect is even more intense. I apply again a little bit of the eye pencil in my waterline. With a pencil brush by Sigma, this is E30, I will take the light pink shimmery eyeshadow and I will apply it in my inner corner. And this eyeshadow looks even more intense because we have the darker base underneath. Love it! I will also apply some on my brow bone to make it pop. For mascara, I will use Falsies mascara by Maybelline. And this is how my lashes look with mascara and no mascara. And I think that they have changed the formula of this mascara and I used to love it so much. Every time that I do such a dark, intense eye look, I like to go back with my contouring and blush because my skin now looks a little bit washed out. For my contouring today, I have used this one by Zerva Cosmetics. This is terracotta number 6 and I will apply it with brush 109 by MAC. I am using this product a lot on other people because it looks amazing on photographs and on video, and I just apply it on top of my previous application. I want it to be very diffused, that's why I use circular motions. Also blend it a little bit into the hairline a little bit on the jawline. For blush, I have used these little cutie pies by Catrice Cosmetics, and these are their new blushes. I'm very excited. They blend very nice. I have the color Glistening Pink and also the Golden Coral. Of course, coral blushes are my thing, and I will use both of these on my cheeks. I will take the L brush by Zerva Cosmetics and I will apply first the Golden Coral exactly where my cheekbone is. I like coral blushes, but it doesn't look so nice with the purple eye look that I have done, so I will go back with this color too, so I can make it a little bit more pinkish. And I use just a small amount of product and it looks amazing. You don't have to build the intensity for hours, just a small amount and you will have the color that you see. Okay, that looks nice. I will go back with this color, the Glistening Pink, because I want my face to match my eyes. Just take a little bit and I will apply it on top of it. This one has a very light satin finish that I have noticed that it doesn't intensify my pores that I have here, and that's why I like it and I use it. For highlighter today, I have used this one by W7. This is a glowcomotion shimmer highlighter and eyeshadow. This was a recommendation by you guys and I love it. It blends so nice. It gives such a nice highlighting effect to the skin. It doesn't intensify my texture that I have here, some very small pimples that I have, and it looks amazing. It blends very nice with the rest of my face products. This is a very nice product. Love it. Next up, highlighter. For the lips, I want something more natural because the eyes are so intense, and I will use this product by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the dewy-ful lips conditioning lip butter with shea butter. This is in the color Let's Do This. It reminds me a lot of Too Faced lip products, and when you open it, it has a doe foot applicator that it is flexible and so easy to use on the lips. They also have 3 more colors, and when I saw them at the drugstore, I was like, oh, don't buy them, don't buy them. And I only got 1 color because I went a little bit crazy this month with the lip products. I will show you in a haul. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more smoky eye looks and what colors you would like to see. I am also in the process of editing 3 looks in one palette with the Kat Von D palette. It is a little bit difficult, the editing for this video, because I have footage from 3 different eye looks. I will also do some more eye looks with the Flamingo palette by Voss. I have done a review about this palette. I will have a card here so you can see the eyeshadows that we have and also the swatches and the makeup look that I have created. I love the colors in this palette. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!